In the world where crossovers and SUVs are outselling any other body type, engineers of high-performance engines and car elements have nothing to do but install their mighty machines on these often bulky and hardly aerodynamic four-wheelers, turning them into true racers. In this episode, we'll demonstrate to you the latest newcomers among performance sport utility vehicles that are here to set new speed world records, challenge pure sports cars on the track and drag strip, as well as set new standards of comfort and practicality. Welcome to Automotive Territory. Remember that subscription to our channel will let you always stay informed about the latest news in the automotive industry, so click that red button and enjoy the ride. SEAT CUPRA ATECA. Not so long ago, CUPRA separated from SEAT as an independent performance sub-brand within the large Volkswagen Group family. Their first creation is a charged crossover CUPRA ATECA based on the same named SEAT. Under the hood, the sporty automobile carries a widely used VW 2.0 TSI charged to 300 horses output and coupled with a single transmission variant, a 7-speed robot DSG, and a 4-wheel drive. As a standard, the crossover is equipped with adaptive suspension and 19-inch wheels, and onboard driving electronics has 6 modes, with the most aggressive one called CUPRA. Among the other design changes of the charged ATECA, we have to point out more aggressive radiator grille and bumpers, as well as dual exhaust in the rear. Performance-wise, this CUPRA can match hot hatchbacks, getting to 60 in just 5.2 seconds and topping the speedometer at 153 mph. BMW X2 M35i. Being the most recent addition to the company's sport activity coupe family, the new X2 M35i adds superior performance to the already premium looks of the regular X2 model. The compact crossover is brought into motion by the most powerful turbocharged 4-cylinder engine in the BMW's arsenal, netting 302 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. The car also gets an 8-speed sport automatic transmission paired with intelligent all-wheel drive, M-Sport suspension and braking systems, and for the first time, a front axle M-Sport differential. Despite its bulky size, the new model is actually capable of developing the top speed of 155 mph and accelerating to 60 from a standstill in under 5 seconds. Its performance skills are further highlighted by the exterior design that features LED lighting, Syrian gray elements, an aero kit, and dual exhaust system. Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Even though it has been 40 years since the release of the first model, the all-new iteration still preserved the iconic Geländewagen exterior. However, the familiar G-Class on the outside, it is now a true car of the 21st century on the inside. The dimensions of the SUV have been enhanced by 2 inches in length and almost 5 inches in width, providing more legroom and generous shoulder space. The dashboard options are borrowed from the E-Class, and you either get a standard twin analog panel plus a small central display or opt for an advanced dual 12.3 inches touchscreen infotainment. The new G-Class is a beast in both standard and AMG G63 modifications. Both are powered by a 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8, but if the AMG variant outputs 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, the standard G-Class has the tuned engine with 416 horses and 450 pound-feet of torque. SKODA KODIAQ RS. This is the first ever performance SUV from the Czech automobile manufacturer. The car comes with Skoda's most potent 2.0-liter bi-turbo diesel engine, the same one used on VW Tiguan. The diesel is paired with a 7-speed DSG transmission and an all-wheel drive system, netting 237 horses and 369 pound-feet of torque. Though many experts express discontent with its lacking power output, stating that the KODIAQ is too weak to carry the RS badge, the Skoda's new offering actually managed to win the title of the fastest 7-seater at the Nürburgring this summer. In addition to sportier handling and performance, as standard, the new KODIAQ RS features a revised exterior with high-gloss accents, new bumpers, 2 RS tailpipes, and 20-inch extreme alloy wheels. Plus, its cabin is performed in Alcantara leather with carbon optic trims and a multifunction sports steering wheel. Porsche Macan. Featuring a refreshed exterior design, more balanced and agile driving dynamics, and enhanced connectivity, the new Macan had been fully unveiled in October 2018, featuring a refreshed exterior design, more balanced and agile driving dynamics, and enhanced connectivity. The model gets newly tuned chassis, active suspension management, and a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 7-speed PDK and an active all-wheel drive system. In this configuration, it gets to 60 mph in 6.7 seconds and develops the maximum speed of 140 mph. The MACAN also receives a slightly wider front fascia with all-new LED headlights reminding us of the iconic 911 model. The compact SUV is sold in 4 new color options, including gorgeous Miami blue and crayon, and 2 wheel sizes, standard 18-inch and available 21-inch. Inside it comes with several long-expected updates: a 10.9-inch Full HD infotainment screen with a customizable interface and 2 Porsche apps, navigation, intelligent voice control, and a number of new options, such as GT Sport steering wheel and air ionizer. BMW X4. The 2019 model here marks an important milestone for X4, as it starts the second generation for this compact SUV. The car receives a number of exterior updates and now has a longer wheelbase, bigger front grille, and redesigned headlights and taillights. In addition, the X4 features improved aerodynamics and a lower center of gravity. The vehicle's 2019 lineup consists of 2 models, xDrive 30i and M40i. The first one of them is powered by a 2-liter twin-power turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, delivering 248 HP and 258 pound-feet of torque, while the latter comes with a 3.0-liter M-Performance twin-power turbo inline 6-cylinder, netting 355 horses and 365 pound-feet. Both models are equipped with an 8-speed sport automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system. On the inside, the new X4 is finished with premium wood and leather materials and has a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with voice control and smartphone connectivity. Do not tune out just yet, we still have a bunch of mighty SUVs to show you. And one more thing, if you're interested in the topic of performance automobiles, you will be able to find links to the additional videos with related topics in the description and in the end of this video. Let's keep rolling! Dodge Durango SRT modified by MOPAR. It goes without saying that the SRT version of Dodge Durango is already one of the fastest SUVs in today's market. However, if you find this machine not aggressive enough, MOPAR Performance Parts has got you covered. The 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine remains unaltered, delivering 475 horses and 470 pound-feet of torque, which allows Durango to go from 0 to 60 mph in mere 4.4 seconds and reach the top speed of 180 mph. But thanks to MOPAR, this amazing mill now sounds more menacing. The new exhaust system has chromium 304 stainless steel construction for better corrosion resistance, and it was factory-tuned for improved flow, current, and overall performance, as well as aggressive appearance with welded and polished 4-inch exhaust tips. The company also offers performance-lowering sprint kit that lowers the SUV 15mm or 0.6 inches closer to the pavement and improves handling and cornering stability at high speeds. Alfa Romeo STELVIO. The 2019 STELVIO embodies the Italian company's take on what a compact SUV should look and drive like. The lineup offers 2 engine options, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, which is standard on all lower trims, and a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6, exclusive on the performance-focused Quadrifoglio. The first one delivers 280 horsepower and 306 pound-feet, and is now paired to a rear-wheel drive, while the second one outputs 505 horses and 443 pound-feet of torque, increasing the car's top speed from 144 to 176 mph and sprinting to 60 from 0 in just 3.6 seconds. In addition, this year's STELVIO comes with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, optional heated seats, and several exterior packages for customers craving more dramatic styling. Porsche Cayenne e-Hybrid. This new plug-in hybrid from Porsche is a luxury 5-seater all-season capable SUV with the performance of a sports car. Despite losing the S in the title, the 2019 automobile is more powerful and efficient than ever before. The model gains a stronger electric motor featuring an output increase of 39 horses and a bigger 14.4 kWh battery that is good for up to 27 miles of all-electric range at 83 mph top speed. Together with a 3.0-liter gasoline turbocharged V6, they net 455 horses and 516 pound-feet of torque, sprinting the SUV to 16 mph in 4.7 seconds. The top speed is also not shy, getting close to 160 miles per hour this year. Being a true Porsche, the new Cayenne starts from almost $80,000, but comes packed with standard features including Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Internet-connected navigation, a 10-speaker sound system, My Porsche and Porsche Connect apps, and dual-zone climate control. Ford Edge ST. The top trim of Ford Edge in the US from now on will be called not Sport but ST. This crossover is equipped with an all-wheel drive by default. As before, it is powered by a 2.7-liter bi-turbo V6 EcoBoost, but the output increased by 20 horses to 340 HP, and torque equals to 380 pound-feet. The 6-speed automatic is replaced by an 8-speed, and ST-tuned suspension is fitted for sharper responses and improved handling. In addition to the hardware swaps, the Edge ST features a specific sport mode that tightens throttle response and alters shift programming, allowing to hold gears near the engine's redline. On the inside, the new Ford ST not only received leather-trimmed seats with ST badging, but also a 12-speaker audio system and Sync 3 infotainment. And a little bonus for the most devoted viewers: Jaguar F-Pace Lister LFP. Lister Motor Company is one of the most renowned names in the British motorsports history. Today they specialize in production of custom-designed modifications of performance automobiles under the brand Lister. One of the latest announcements from the company is the LFP model based on the Jaguar F-Pace and heavily modified. Though the engine hasn't been disclosed, it is rumored to be the reworked Jaguar Land Rover's turbocharged V8, which now makes 670 horsepower. 0 to 60 time equals to 3.5 seconds, and Lister is reaching for the title of the fastest SUV in the world with the rumored top speed of 200 mph. Judging by the presented lineup, would you say that SUVs will ever be able to be granted a title of sports cars? Tell us about your favorite newcomer in the comments below, and consider watching more videos within this topic. Links are waiting for you on the screen. Subscribe to Automotive Territory not to miss the new releases, rate the video, and may the torque be with you!